Have you ever wondered why prices vary so drastically when you receive multiple bids for the same project? In this video, we'll explain the hidden factors that influence the cost of home repairs, why not all bids are the same, and what sets our foundation company apart from the rest. Hello homeowners. If you need foundation repair, crawl-space solutions, or mold remediation, we have an important message for you. Today we'll highlight the significant differences between companies and the varying bids that you might receive. Let's uncover the truth and help you make an informed decision for your home's well-being. When it comes to foundation repairs, crawl-space drainage systems, crawl-space encapsulation, or mold remediation, each home has unique needs. That's why a thorough assessment by experienced professionals is essential. At our company, we evaluate the underlying causes of your home's issues, ensuring tailored solutions for your specific situation. This expertise may result in variations in prices between companies. The quality of materials and the expertise of our professionals also play a crucial role. At our foundation repair company, we use top-grade materials and employ highly trained technicians. We prioritize the longevity and effectiveness of our repairs, which is reflected in the price. Also, be aware of quick fixes. Some companies offer low-cost solutions that only address surface-level symptoms, leaving underlying issues unresolved. At HydroHelp911, we provide comprehensive solutions that fix the immediate problem, prevent further damage, and ensure the long-term stability of your home. We believe in providing transparency from the beginning. Unlike some competitors, we present the full scope of work up front. This empowers you as a homeowner to make informed decisions. We build relationships based on trust and provide you with the information you need to make the best decisions for your home and budget. When comparing bids and evaluating foundation repair companies, consider the transparency and completeness of the proposed solution. We offer peace of mind through a comprehensive plan, expert craftsmanship, and a commitment to your satisfaction. We are a licensed general contractor, qualified to handle all aspects of your crawlspace, basement, and foundation repairs. Our team has undergone extensive training and follows industry best practices, ensuring your home is in capable hands. For your peace of mind, we are fully insured and bonded. This protects you and your property in the unlikely event of unforeseen circumstances or accidents. Your safety and security are our priorities throughout the entire repair process. Our crew is protected under workman's compensation, prioritizing their well-being in case of any work-related injuries. This allows us to maintain a skilled and motivated team that delivers exceptional service to you. We also offer a lifetime warranty option on our services because we believe in the quality and durability of our work. Trust that you're making a long-term investment in the stability and the integrity of your home. At the end of the day, not all foundation companies are equal. Consider the qualifications and added benefits that we bring to the table. As a licensed general contractor that's fully insured and bonded, and with our commitment to our employees and their training, we stand apart from the competition. Our lifetime warranty option reflects our commitment to excellence. Contact us today for a thorough assessment and a competitive bid. Lastly, thanks for watching. If you found this video to be informative, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on foundation, basement, and crawl-space repairs. Your home's foundation is its backbone, and choosing the right company is crucial. We're here to provide exceptional service and peace of mind. Together, let's build a strong and secure foundation for your home. See you next time.